What are Notion projects? Notion is a versatile productivity tool that allows individuals and teams to manage various aspects of their work and personal life. While Notion is primarily known for its note-taking and organization features, it can also be used to manage projects effectively. In Notion, projects can be created and organized using a combination of databases, tables, boards, and other customizable components. You can create project boards to visualize the progress of tasks, set up task lists with due dates and assignees, create project timelines, and collaborate with team members by sharing and editing project-related content. Notion's flexibility allows you to tailor your project management system to fit your specific needs. You can use pre-designed templates or create your own project management setup from scratch. This makes Notion suitable for a wide range of projects, whether they are personal, professional, or team-oriented. By utilizing features such as task tracking, Kanban boards, calendars, and integrations with other apps, Notion projects enable you to plan, organize, and execute your tasks and projects efficiently, all within a single platform. Contact Software Horsepower. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.